them scary, some were even hairy, but no, I haven't seen any. D is for dog, a friend so true, always there for you. A nicer pet you cannot find, so loving and so kind, loyal and by your side. D is for drum, make a beat, even with your feet. A crazy tune will do, play anything you want to. The beat will make you want to move. D is for dog, quack, 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 ducklings on its back, all going for a ride, through water they glide, together they will fly.
D. 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 D.